Hey guys, it's Courtney. I am very excited to be guest designing for Love from Lizi for this month. So today we are going to be taking a quick look at what comes in the October 2019 kit. So we're going to start off with the stamp set, which I love. It's got a bunch of these cute images. It's got an old-fashioned telephone, the chair, a line of houses there that you can create a little scene with. Lots and lots of fun to piece together and color, of course. Next, we're going to take a look at the cardstock, and this is all 8.5 by 11. We have the navy cardstock. We have a piece of, it's a yellowish color. It's called maize. Next, we have the white, which is a Copic-friendly cardstock. We have the mid-gray, and we also have the black cardstock. For the 12 by 12, we have 2 sheets of that come in this set this month, and they are cut aparts here, so you can have your own little ephemera or sentiments on one side, and these are kind of a little bit smaller than the other sheet, but both of them are double-sided, so we have a nice pattern on the back. The second sheet, like I said, is a little bit larger with some sentiments and some cute little images there. And again, on the back, we have a pattern, which I love the plaid pattern here. Next, we'll take a look at the stickers that come in the set this month. And this is also 12 by 12. We have a lot of cute images here. We have some sentiments. There's little tags and sentiment strips, as well as some little tabs and borders on the bottom. Next, we have the pattern paper, and the pattern paper this month is actually 6 by 12, and they are double-sided. It is solid on one side and kind of a tone-on-tone polka dot pattern on the other, and these all match the stickers and the cut-aparts and basically everything else in the kit. They match beautifully. Next, we have the peel-offs. This month, they are rose gold, and they're pinstripes, so they have all different sizes in here, which I'm kind of obsessed with rose gold currently, so these will be lots of fun to use. Next, we're going to look at the embellishments that come in the kit, and I'm telling you, this bag is chock full. First, we have 2 tags. These are craft cardstock. Next, we have 5 of the doilies, and these are kind of like a peachy pink color, and they are 5 in the set. Next, we have this pinwheel, which is very unique to me. This will be the first time I'm using this, and it's got a ton of these little pins, and they nicely fit in here so that you don't poke yourself every time you pull them out of your kit, and they are all rainbow colors, so you have a variety of different colors to use. Next, we have some lace, which is absolutely beautiful. And this will fit nicely in these kind of family or home themed cards. Next, we have some twine, and I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but there's like gold twine mixed in with it, or kind of intertwined with it, I guess you could say. It's absolutely beautiful. Next, we have the sequin mix, and we have all different sizes and colors in this sequin mix. Next, we have some glitter, which is very fine glitter, which will go nicely with your embellishments, with the ephemera and with the cut aparts. It's very, very fine. It's not super shiny, but I kind of like that. Next, we have a bag of ephemera, and I'm telling you, this thing is full of ephemera, and it's got all different things in here. We have some large sentiments, we have some smaller sentiments, we have some florals and houses, and everything that you can imagine comes in this ephemera set. And I can't possibly show you every single piece because we'd be here for probably about 20 minutes because there's so much of it. But I absolutely love the sentiments that come in this set. I love the fact that they're all different sizes and you can kind of mix and match them. I love them. Big, huge variety here. Next, we have some clear gems, and they have a little bit of a silver tone to them, and these are all heart-shaped. You can see that we have 3 rows of them. Very, very pretty. Next, we have some wood veneers. They're wood veneer embellishments, I believe you call them. And there's all different shapes with these. We have some florals, we have some garden tools, and we have a few birds, and a little watering can there. They're very, very pretty. Go with the theme really nicely. Next, we have some wobblers, and these have little springs on them, so you can kind of pop up one of your images or your embellishments and it will kind of wobble a little bit, so it adds a little extra interest to your cards or your projects. To finish off, we have the dies, and there's quite a few dies that come in the kit here. And we first have a sentiment here that is about the garden, which all of these pretty much are. We have some garden tools off to the side here. We have a larger floral. We have a little rain boot there, or a garden boot. We have a flower pot with a little tag or sign coming off of it. And then we have a little leaf sprig there and a bird. So lots and lots of fun stuff that comes in this kit. I will be back in a day or two with a 10 card video using this kit. Hope you guys can join me. Bye.